We are going to be updating to the new firmware on the Samsung Odyssey G6. We're going to come here to support, and then we're going to go to software update. I have not put in the flash drive just yet. Okay, inserted the USB, software update, then select. Now it's searching the USB flash drive, and now it's letting us know the new software version is available. Previously it's 1002.0. Now the new version is going to be 1003.2. So there was no release notes, so I really don't know what changes they made. The only thing that might be close enough, assuming if all the firmware are almost the same between the models, is that there was improved image quality at low gradation, and that was it. But that was for Swedish, that was found on a Swedish Samsung website. But yeah, that's all I have. But other than that, no more information at this current moment.